This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kayla Rikard. Absolutely charming 1950s ranch home located in a USDA eligible part of Davidson with no HOA. This home offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, den with built-ins for storage, kitchen with plenty of space, dedicated laundry room/drop zone, and a 2-car carport. Sitting on 1.43 acres, this home offers a storage shed and an additional 30 by 40 auto shop with 10-foot ceilings, fully insulated, air conditioner, and wired with 220. Only a short drive to Downtown Davidson, Mooresville, Concord, and 30 minutes to Charlotte. Truly a must-see. Showings start Saturday, 1:30, with an open house from 1 to 3 p.m. Check out the 3D tour here, https://www.homadi.com/3D tour aerial video/unbranded/8600 Archer Road Davidson.